Lawyers, today is about why branding matters with law firm video. Hey, who's this? I'm you with a different brand, and I'm thinking that we probably need just a little bit more color around here. There's 3 ways to work with us. Our agency does it all for you, online coaching, and self-study courses. I've produced over 10,000 law firm videos in all different styles. Having a video is easy, but having a video that reaches or surpasses your goals is not so easy. While my marketing agency does everything related to signing new clients and streamlining your practice, I think that I'm best known for video production, not only from directing so many thousands of videos and building video studios in law firms, but as the marketing agency tracking the data that proves that the videos reached their goals. Okay, so let's jump into this subject. A brand consists of a lot of things, including what you look like on video. Yeah, and usually you don't allow us too much color in these lawyer tip videos, do you? Okay, but when viewers see this look, they know it's me or you, or no, not you. We're actually standing in front of a green screen right here. Yeah. That gives us a lot of flexibility in post-production. We can put anything behind us. So for law firms, sometimes I like to use a courtroom. Oh, then why not put something just a little bit more fun in the background for these videos, like this or this. Okay, let's put this back. Marketing is serious. What if my lawyers don't have any clients? Yeah, they do have a serious subject matter. That's totally true. But come on, Mary. Marketing can be just a little bit more fun. Okay, so let's talk about some things that go into a law firm brand, like the tone of your message and your demeanor. Colors should match all of your assets. The backgrounds behind you in your video. Okay, let's put this back because sound is often turned off and you want your video to represent what you do. And we don't practice law, so. And fonts, I love fonts. And your font should match your brand. And lower thirds. Oh yeah, and lower thirds. And your brand is also about your opener and closer sections for all your videos. A lot goes into your brand. Jinx! You owe me a Diet Coke. But I like sugar. Wait, I thought we weren't eating sugar anymore. I think you're getting old on me. How could I be older than you? We're the same person. We are not the same. Are you ready to know more about video production as it relates to your law practice? Well, today I'm offering a pre-sale with a discounted price. I'm writing a new book. I'm so excited to show it to you. It's called How to Create Law Practice Videos That Persuade, which is going to be out early this year. And we also have a beautifully produced accompanying online course that takes you through everything step by step. This content will walk you through goal mapping, pre-production planning, gear, green screening, branding, post-production, and proving your results. And of course, I'm going to share how best to present yourself on camera. This isn't the kind of content that you can just happen to get on YouTube. So, how to create law practice videos that persuade. This is what you do. You go to my learning center at marycaryu.com, choose the program, put in your credit card information, and then you get an email that gets you started. It's a small investment with a huge upside and no risk, because there's a money-back guarantee. But you might say to yourself, Mary, really pay before the course is completed? Well, you buy tickets to a show before the show is on stage, or you'll enroll in, a course at your local college. It's the same thing. We are in production right now and super excited to deliver you this content. It's so easy and safe. This is all upside for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.